did not finish anymore on the video yesterday, so you didn't get to see my dinner, but I'm gonna show you why. I cut myself. I was slicing potatoes on a mandolin and wasn't paying attention, and I guess I thought my hand was a potato, so I kind of didn't think anyone wanted to see that. So today I'm going to share my grocery haul with you. I am going to put you on tripod first. I don't have my tripod here, so I had to kind of makeshift. I just placed my order for delivery this evening. I am ordering groceries this week from H-E-B. They are doing a 2-week no personal shopper fee or delivery fee, so rock on. And right now I really love it because they just kind of drop it at the door and then I make the boys bring it in. So you guys are about to get to see that. 2020 has taught me that even if I think my schedule is finally smooth, there's always gonna be something else that comes up. And my husband's work schedule changed again. So I will be maybe adjusting my work schedule to kind of make sure that he gets fed and all that good stuff every day. We'll see. I did determine next weekend I am getting this cut because I can't deal with it anymore. It just needs to be taken care of. So that is that. Anyway, so I cut myself yesterday while I was prepping dinner, or I would have shown you, and then I just didn't even touch the camera after that. So, but dinner was tasty. Dinner was very tasty. I love quick, simple meals like that, and they're not quick because the beans cook all day in the crock pot, but my part of it was simple and fast. So stay tuned. I'm fixing to show you our grocery order, and then I will show you what I have planned for our dinners this next week. Today is Friday. You're seeing this on Sunday. I always try to go to the store now either on Saturday or Sunday. Today I decided to have it delivered on Friday, and I'm still good through Friday of next week, maybe even a little longer. I got a couple things in the freezer, and I think if I get everything I ordered, I will have extra, so I will be able to make something else with what I already have. So that is a good thing too. It's always nice to have little extra things in your freezer and pantry, just staples that you could maybe turn into something delicious one day. So that is that. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you're here. So let's get on with the grocery order. All right, guys, my order is here and it's lined out for you. And I'm gonna show you what we got. My actual total was $201. This is for a week. This is for 4 of us. This is for dinners. And I think I've got enough for breakfast and the boys' lunches. And my husband takes leftovers for his lunch at work. So let's hop into it. I feel like it's a lot, but like I said, last week I think I only spent 100 and something, and you guys did not see that. So it's like every other week. So here we go. I picked up some bacon, a roast, this pork tenderloin. It comes with 2. I cook both at the same time. Everybody loves this when I make it on the grill. This time I'm gonna go with an autumn. Sorry, I had to take something from the dog. Anyway, I usually grill it, but this time I'm gonna kind of do an autumn flare. I have not made it probably in at least 7 years, but it's an apricot glazed pork tenderloin and it is delicious. So now if for some reason I have extra time and I have time enough to grill it, then I'll do that, but it'll likely become a crock pot meal. I have 2 packages of chicken thighs here. I will likely break this down into 3 packages, 2 for recipes that I have on my meal plan to show you, and that will give me a backup as well for the following week. This time I picked up 2 things of celery. I love to munch on celery and carrots and cucumbers for a snack, and it seems like I always go through the celery really, really fast. So I bought 2 this time. I picked up some more yellow onions. Seems like we never have enough yellow onions. In fact, I think I only have 1 left in the pantry. And I like to stay stocked on onions and potatoes this time of year because it's so versatile. I also picked up a red onion, or purple. We call it red, but it's really purple. Avocados. These are large avocados. There's actually a deal at H-E-B this time. If you bought 3, you got a 4th one free. So 4 avocados. I am going to make some guacamole this weekend. No, this upcoming week, not this weekend. 1 green bell pepper. And I'm glad I picked that up. I have one, but I've decided I was going to make a yummy breakfast casserole in the morning. That will be nice. 2 very large vine ripened tomatoes. 2 English cucumbers, and why they put them in the bag, I don't know, because they're wrapped in plastic, whatever, don't bother me. An 18 count of extra large eggs. I am down to, I think, a dozen, so this will be great. I picked up 2 packages of ground sirloin. It was supposed to be a pound a piece. 1 is right at a pound, and 1 is almost a pound and a half, which is perfect because it will work out just fine in the recipes that I am using them in. I have some provolone cheese, some deluxe American cheese. I meant to get the other kind. These are not individually wrapped. Shelby gets a piece of this every time. She gets 2 pieces a day. That encourages her to eat. I don't know. It's just a habit we started. I got some squeezed sour cream, 2 blocks of cheddar cheese, instead of 3 packages of pre-shredded cheese. I don't care either way. Sometimes it's nice to shred your own. You want it a little thicker cut. So I got 2 blocks and then 1 package, a gallon of milk. I did pick up the boys some Red Diamond tea. That is their favorite. It's kind of like a splurge now, so I thought I would treat them. And it's really funny, the dates on those, because 1 is the 21st, 1's the 22nd, 1's the 23rd. That cracks me up. A gallon of water, some Crystal Light lemonade, that is mine, a thing of iceberg lettuce. I really like the green leaf lettuce, but it is not holding up very well throughout the week. Iceberg tends to do a little better. We are out of croutons. We are loving salad lately, so I wanted to make sure that I picked up those because we did not have any. Yes, you see Halloween candy out already. The husband went the last week and bought like $40 worth of Halloween candy just to eat at home, so whatever. I needed some more breakfast blend K-Cups. I am actually thinking I need to switch to decaf because I have way too much energy and it makes me jittery a little bit when I have caffeine too. I needed to pick up some more of the Sheba for pumpkin. He only gets 1/2 of those a day. So like he gets 1 on a Monday and 1 on a Tuesday. So that lasts him 6 days and he still has some. Picked up Kristen, oh my gosh. I picked up Shelby, her food, her wet food. She's got plenty of dry. It's fine. Got the boys some cereal with just Cookie Crisp and Reese's Puffs this time. We also have Honey Nut Cheerios up there. And I'm thinking that's it. They might have gone through all the cereal this time. Chicken patties. They really like this brand. They say they taste well and they can pop those in a bun or on bread and have a quick lunch. Also got them some fish sticks. They like them, so they can cook them themselves, as well as some pizza rolls. Also got some tater tots, Some frozen green beans. I like the whole green beans. These are so tasty. Y'all know me and my Caesar salad. We are having that with dinner tomorrow. I needed some beef consomme, some French onion condensed soup, and some beef broth for a recipe. Some Texas toast, some yellow rice, tortilla chips, H-E-B brand sour cream and onion, and original. Gotta have them on hand. Snack on them. The boys will sometimes make a sandwich. I want chips. I sometimes send them with my husband to work. There you go. 2 cans of tomato sauce, 3 cans of diced tomatoes and green chilies. I was completely out, which is very odd. I got some vanilla, some diced green chilies, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, some enchilada sauce, some Nestle Toll House semi-sweet. We're going to make some cookies. Brown sugar because I was completely out and I can't make cookies without it. 3 things of brown gravy mix, 2 packs of original taco mix, another ranch packet. I have a couple, but I always try to get 1 or 2 every time I go to the store. Flour tortillas, a loaf of French bread, white bread, Mrs. Baird's, you gotta go Texas, as well as Nature's Own honey wheat bread, 2 packs of instant mashed potatoes, some Lipton onion soup mix, but it's H-E-B brand. I keep that on hand, really. I use that in different recipes. Elbow macaroni and some thin spaghetti. I am going to put all of this up, feed my critters because they are hungry, and then I will come back and show you my meal plan. Real quick, best tip ever. I always break down my chicken. I put them in a freezer bag, right? So I have part of one in the ice box because, or refrigerator, as y'all call it. I will be using it for tomorrow's supper. But I put the other part in here, and then a bulk of one because I'm making chicken tacos, and it will use a lot of taco meat for that. So they're all pre-portioned, and then I put them in another freezer bag, and I will put them in the freezer, and I will have them. I do this because it's easier, because I like to put frozen meat into my crock pot. Most times because it's going to cook all day while I'm at work, and with it being frozen, it takes a little longer to cook. So, huge tip there. And then with your roast, take it out of the packaging it comes in, stick it in a freezer bag. Again, I put my roast frozen in my crock pot. This keeps it from me having to separate it from that bottom layer of gunk, that paper thing that your meat departments in the grocery stores will put underneath your meat. So by doing this, I can now when it's completely frozen, take it out of this bag, pop it in my crock pot, and it's really easy to cook. The ground beef I do leave as is because it usually takes all day to defrost it anyway. It's not a big deal. And like especially this time, I want to know how much it is. So there you go. That is my grocery tip. Now let's hop to the menu plan. Okay, now we're going to do an overlook of last week, and then I'm going to show you what we are going to have this week. Last Friday, I made a cracked out hash brown burger casserole and garlic toast. It was pretty good. Saturday, I made grilled pork tenderloin and pasta salad. It's very tasty. In fact, I have a recipe for that pork tenderloin. I'll make sure I link it down below. Sunday, one of the twins cooked. We were across the street with football and friends, so he made air-fried chicken legs and french fries. Monday, we had Iguana Joe's, which is one of our favorite Tex-Mex places. Tuesday, I made a roast with it was a River Ranch roast with mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, and biscuits. It was so good. Goodness. That also I have a recipe for. I'll link it down below. That was Tuesday. Wednesday, I made lasagna with garlic toast and salad. That was the best lasagna I had ever made. I think the next time I make it, I'm going to film it because it was so good. Thursday, I made pinto beans with potatoes, fried potatoes and onions. and sausage and cornbread. Sorry, the dog is pushing me. Friday, which is today, we ordered Pizza Hut. It's so tasty. There's something about not cooking on grocery day that's amazing. Saturday, which is tomorrow, I'm going to make a chicken spaghetti, Caesar salad, and garlic toast. I have not made chicken spaghetti in forever. Sunday, I'm going to do crispy pork cutlet sandwiches and fries. This has been pushed around our meal plan for the month for the last few weeks. So it's do or die on that day. I keep moving it because the one twin who absolutely loves it has been gone on the days I plan to cook it. So I told him if he's not here Sunday, then he's going to miss out because I got to move forward. Monday, we are going to have a new recipe to me. I found it. It looks tasty. It's a cheesy beefaroni casserole. It's kind of like a beefaroni. It's a skillet meal. And I'm going to make cornbread muffins with that. And probably a salad. I'm not sure. Tuesday is going to be crock-pot chicken tacos. I do have a recipe for that. I will link it down below as well. Wednesday is a crock-pot French dip sandwiches. So easy and so good. And I'll probably throw some tater tots in the air fryer. Thursday, I'm going to make an apricot glazed pork tenderloin with mashed potatoes and stuffing for the non-mashed potato eater if he's home. And some green beans and rolls. And next Friday, I'm going to make enchilada stuffed shells with yellow rice and beans. And that is going to be our week. I was going to make this, I think, last week before, but I switched it and we made I did an enchilada mac and cheese, kind of an enchilada macaroni casserole. It was so good. It was tasty. But that is our look at our week. I'd love to know what you're cooking.